Hello everyone. Today is 18th January of 2025 and I'm gonna do this weekly commentary for the coming week for this coming week from 20 January to 24 January. I'm gonna do a weekly commentary on on two pairs that I trade, that is Euro and GBPUSD. These are the only two pairs that I trade, and of course DXY also. So I haven't been uploading my content, because I just bought my new computer PC and all those stuff. So that's why now I'm gonna be consistently doing this weekly commentary and also the trades that I took. So let's get straight to it. So the first thing I want to look at is the Forest Factory. So the upcoming week is from this 20th to 24th January. So let's see the news. The first one, Monday, we don't have no news. USD bank holidays, but for me, in my experience, the last two bank holidays, the market moved, smoothly. So I'm gonna be watching it. I'm not gonna take any trades, but I'm gonna watch the price action, how the price is moving and all those stuff. So Monday is there. Tuesday we have a GBP news during the London session, 12:30 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. And Wednesday we don't have no news. Thursday we have a red folder news, unemployment claims, 7 p.m. And Friday we have a bunch of news from 1:45 p.m. London session to up to New York session. We have all this news. So for me, what I'm anticipating from this fundamental news is that I'm not gonna trade the Monday, so I'm gonna start trading from the Tuesday, and I'm anticipating a SMT in between this pairs, in between this Euro, GBP, and DXY. I'm anticipating a SMT in between these pairs form on the Tuesday. So let's go in the DXY. DXY we have, in this is weekly time frame, and in this it is pretty much common sense that the market is pretty much bullish here, higher high high low, higher high high low. So for me is I just want to continue the market trend, and I just want the market to go much higher. And also, if you look left in this side here, we are the only thing that is pretty clean to me at this time right now is this weekly inverse fair value gap, right? So I mark out this, and also this weekly inverse fair value gap is also overlap with this order block here. So this pretty much it's more, it's a good sign, you know so I just want the market to at least go up here, and then I'm gonna see what happened. So for me right now is we have this weekly fair value gap here, but I think we have SMT somewhere here. So that's why I'm not really I'm not like back then I was like, I'm anticipating the market to go from here, and it reaches to this weekly fair value gap, and then after that the market will go something like this. But right now I didn't look like that. I didn't Right now my approach is kind of different. From my experience, I'm not I'm not the one for me to take sell here, for the market to reach in this fair value gap, weekly fair value gap, and then the market to go up. Right now I'm just gonna be anticipating the market to go up from here, like I'm just like, let the market do its thing, and if the market really want to come down, then it will show so let's go in the daily time frame, and I can see it. And wait. Before that, we have this is the previous weekly candle. It is pretty much, it opens here, high of the day. It makes high of the day here, high of the week here, low of the week here, and then it closes. So it pretty much is a weakness, and for me, it seems that the market is going to go up from here. So let's go in the daily time frame here. Monday here, Monday, it makes the high of the day here. And also, what do we have here? We have a pretty clean daily fair value gap here in between these range. So if you took a fair value gap, no, if you took a Fibonacci and if you measure it here, the market pretty much, come close to this 50% and also this, 0.1 61.8%. So it is very optimal from here to market, just to go up here. And also the market, and also we have an SMT with GBPUSD. I can show it here. Here we have a this Wednesday, 15th January. 15th January, it swept this low. 10 January, Friday, 10 January, it swept this low. But in GBP, the market fails to do it. Here we have a 15th January candle. It doesn't sweep this 10 January, right? So it fails to sweep this high. But in DXY, it swept this. So that is a sign of an SMT. So it is another confluence for me to actually, to support this bullish idea for me. So so it is added to another confluence for me to take this trade and to support this bullish sentiment here. And like, right, and also if you look at this in the Euro USD, also we have this, this is a weekly fair value gap here. From here to here, I would like the market to go much more bearish here, because uh this is a pretty much clear bearish sentiment here. And I would like to target this low also here. So if you look at closely here in the daily time frame, like the same thing happened with the DXY. It also reached to this daily fair value gap, and we have also a daily SMT here with this Wednesday, 15th January, sweeping this Friday, 10th January. So all this confluence added to this bearish sentiment, and also we have this another SMT here. This Friday actually swept this Thursday high, but but in this DXY, it fails to sweep, it fails to sweep this Thursday low. So it is another confluence added to my sentiment. And for GBP also, if you look at here, like this previous weekly swing low is pretty much a very clean sell side liquidity that I'm targeting, that I'm anticipating for the market to reach here. So yeah, so if you look at, in the daily time frame also, we have a SMT here, divergence here. So I'm probably, if I were a market maker, I'm gonna be, Monday is gonna be something like this. Tuesday either swap or a SMT, and then it goes down. Something like this. I'm anticipating something like this. So let's go in the lower time frame also for our 1 hour here. I think Monday, um for me, especially for me, I'm gonna this one is very clean to me. This one. This is news here. Yesterday we have the news, and it swept this previous high, and it creates an SMT here with DXY. And it here the market, since here the markets broke the structure here. So for me, if it is according to my plan, I'm anticipating some like this, some like on the Monday. I'm anticipating a, pretty much consolidation, and then on Tuesday, either Euro, ZU, or DXY, swipe some like this. And then after that, I'm anticipating some like this, right? So the market can either swipe here or an SMT. That's gonna be good. you know. So that's what I'm looking, some like this, and if you look at the fundamental news, we only have this 12:30 GBP news. So nothing much, nothing crazy. And also on Wednesday we don't have no red folder news. So you know um I'm just gonna wait for it. I'm just gonna wait for a more cleaner price section, more cleaner to my eyes, and then and then after that I'm gonna but my overall direction for me, overall weekly um target is, it's probably something like this. It's probably, I'm gonna make a candle, something like this. This is weekly here. So uh open here, right? Something like this. Please, bears. Where's the bears candle here? Bears candle, and then we have eye of the day, and then we have low of the day. This is what I'm gonna. This is what I'm anticipating uh, from this upcoming week. So this is pretty much it for me right now. I don't have to I don't have to analyze everything right now. I just have to wait for the market to show me higher time frame confidence. That for me is a higher time frame SMT, and then lower time frame I'm going to see my pattern, my pattern accumulation, manipulation, distribution on the London session, and yeah. So that's it. That's it for my weekly commentary. I want to see you guys. I want to see you guys again. And what I'm gonna do with my channel is I'm gonna do this weekly commentary. This is also my like the way I'm doing right now is also beneficial for me. It also recalls everything that I learned. And also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna um break down the trade that I've taken. Like you can see all these trade that I've taken this week. I'm gonna explain why I've taken this, why I'm not, all the good stuff. So I'm gonna make another video of the trades that I've taken, and I'm gonna explain it here. So for now, peace.